Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to decorate for fall. I'm really excited about this video. It should be going up around September 1st, which to me is not too early at all. I get ready for the fall in like August already. I love the leaves changing and the crispness in the air, everything pumpkin spice. I don't like wintertime, I don't like the cold, but I just love fall so much. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you have not already, I would really appreciate that. You can also come join me on Instagram and Twitter if you would like. The links will be in the description box down below, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I started by laying everything out on my kitchen island. You guys, this candle, this is the pumpkin spice candle from the brand MWG, I believe. And it smells so amazing. It's so strong. So I'm just cutting off the tags and peeling the stickers off of everything so that it can all be ready to lay out. I got this set of dish towels from TJ Maxx for $9.99, I believe. You get 3 dish towels and then 1 pot holder and 1 oven mitt, so I thought that was a really great deal. Here I'm just taking everything out of the box from last year's decorations. I have a lot of half-empty candles, and I also had a Grove order come in, so I got some of the new fall scents. I have the Acorn Spice hand soap, the Mum multi-surface spray, and the apple cider dish soap. Going straight into the living room, I'm just taking everything off of the coffee table. I often have a lot of plants out, and those aren't super like fall festive, so I wanted to take those out. And I'm just wiping down this tray here. This is like a marble tray from Target that we've had for pretty much ever since we got married. I left the coasters on it because those are really nice and I love using those all year round. And then I set out this bouquet of flowers from my yard. I think these are maybe Lazy Susans. They just look like sunflowers kind of. I got this set of to-go cups from TJ Maxx, and it was like $3 for all of these cups with the lids, and they come with sleeves too, and I thought they were so cute and festive. They have the little blonde and brunette girls on the front with their pumpkin spice lattes in hand. Their cups actually say PSL on the front. It's super cute, and I had to display one of these, so I just put it on the little tray there. Then I took off this tray that had some other stuff on it, and I put down the pumpkin spice candle, as well as this little white speckled pumpkin from TJ Maxx. This was like $5 or something. I love this pumpkin. I think it looks so cute there. And then these pillows are actually from last year. I leave these out all year round and just turn them around to the white side. I think I got these at Marshall's or Home Goods, like a pack of 2 for $25. And I feel like the neutral plaid looks really cute for fall, so I always turn it around to that side in the fall. Moving over to this little lampstand by the couch, I'm just taking off the trinkets that were sitting there, just a bunch of random stuff, and I'm kind of playing around with it to see what I want there, but I kind of felt like everything I added just ended up being too much, so I tried to keep it more simple, and I ended up leaving the Marshmallow Fireside candle there with this little welcome fall mug from TJ Maxx and a little pumpkin. And then I'm moving to the blanket ladder that is by the fireplace. I've just had that white blanket there like all summer long because I didn't want to move the ladder because I felt like it added a nice touch to the living room. So I am adding this plaid blanket that I feel like works for all fall and winter. It's kind of festive for the entire holiday season. And then I am just moving the white blanket down further down the ladder. And I'm also adding this gray blanket, so it's kind of like a good little mix of colors in there. And I just love how this ladder looks when it's just full of blankets. It's so cozy. So I'm just taking everything off of the fireplace that I don't want there for fall. Of course, another plant. I have this like wheat stuff that I got at Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $7 for all of it, and it was like 40% off on top of that. So I'm just trimming these because I knew they were going to be too long, and I wasn't sure the exact length I wanted them because I didn't want them to be way too tall for this vase, but I also wanted them to be like a statement piece in the room, I guess. So I'm just cutting these and adjusting them to how I want them. actually decided to move that vase to the other side of the fireplace just to balance the room out a little bit more since the blanket ladder was on that side. And I just moved that little stack of books that I had with the candles on top to the other side of the fireplace. I decided to leave that there because it looks really nice all year round. And then I'm just wiping down the mirror to make sure that it looks clean and fresh. I just moved those books over to the other side, like I said. And then I had this little tray with some fake glasses on there that I thought looked cute. And I added this thankful sign from TJ Maxx. I thought that ended up looking really nice next to like the vase of wheat or whatever it is. I added this little sparkly white pumpkin there as well on the tray with the glasses. And that clock I leave there all the time. I feel like it looks really nice on the fireplace. So this is what this side of the room ended up looking like. This is the fireplace. I thought it turned out really cute, but obviously it's a little bit more of like a minimal style of decorating, but still festive. And then I'm moving to a different corner of the room where I have this chair and stand here. I moved this plant just because I felt like it was a little summery, and I added this little air plant here. Even though it's still a plant, it's kind of goes more with my fall decorations. And then I'm taking this candle away that's from Target, and I'm replacing it with the leaves candle from Bath & Body Works. And I just left that little lantern there because I thought it looked really cute with everything. I'm just taking the tissues off. I'm gonna put them somewhere else. And then I added this little blush pumpkin there. I thought that looked really nice with everything. A little bit more neutral in that corner. And then I have this like sweater kind of pillow that was on my love seat, but I decided to move it over here so that that chair has a little bit of something to it. And then moving over to the love seat where I had that little pillow, I decided to add just a blanket here. So I have this like buffalo checked blanket that I got at Hobby Lobby. This was on sale for like $11, I think is what I paid for it. So a really great deal. It's super cozy. I'm actually wrapped up in it right now, but I'm just messing around, playing around, seeing how I wanted this to look. I ended up just folding it in half, giving it that kind of like messy look, and just draping it across the couch. I thought it turned out really good. So now we're moving back to the island where I had all of the stuff laid out, and I'm just taking everything off so that I can actually add like a little centerpiece to the island. And I'm taking away this candle that still has a bunch of wax in it, but unfortunately doesn't burn anymore. It smells amazing though. That's the Paris Cafe candle from Bath & Body Works. And I'm just taking everything off of the island, cleaning it all up. I knew that I wanted to use this little wooden tray for a centerpiece for the island, so I'm just setting that there. And I just kind of played around, figured out what I wanted to put there. I ended up adding this sweet cinnamon pumpkin candle from Bath & Body Works that was pretty close to getting burnt down. And I couldn't decide between the plant or the mug for a second, but I decided on that mug from Hobby Lobby and added this little white pumpkin there with it just to keep it simple. I don't like to have the island too cluttered because we do use it a lot. And then going over by the stove, I'm just taking off this old hand towel and adding one of the fall ones. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to decorate with over by the stove, but I ended up just using the white hand towel with like the orange checkered lines on it. And then I actually took the pot holder and just hung it on this little hook by the window. You can't really see it in the frame. It was kind of out of frame at that moment, but I ended up replacing this little glass thing that had a candle in it, and I just put a little pumpkin there on the stove. I thought that looked cute next to the oil container. And then I put a mum over there, which you also can't see in the frame right now, but I'll show you guys a shot of that. I had this really gorgeous plant pot that my friend gave me, and I just put the mum in there, and I thought it turned out super cute there by the window next to the little pot holder that's hanging up. So I have this little caddy that I got free with a Grove order because I love Grove. They give you so much free stuff with every order that you get pretty much. I really like how this matte one looked though, so I decided to set it out with all of my fall scented things that I got and set it out by the sink. And then I just put away the old dish soap that was sitting out, and also put into the caddy this cleaning brush from Grove as well. And this probably won't stay out, but I just thought this looked really cute by the sink, so I just wanted to put it there for at least a little while. And then I set this pumpkin-shaped candle from Target on the other side, but it didn't end up staying there because I put it somewhere else. And then I just put that little thing that was on the stove right there by the sink as well, just to add a little bit more because it was super minimal there, even though I do like it to keep it pretty clean there. Moving on to my little coffee station where I have all of my syrups and stuff. I have this little jar of tea that has been there forever, so I wanted to switch it up. So I added this little pumpkin sign from Hobby Lobby that says blessed on it. I thought this was really cute, so I just put it there with the little white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. Those are super cute and they were super affordable as well. So I just set that there and kind of left it like that because I don't like it to be too cluttered. Again, we use this quite a bit. Also just left the little coffee jar there that we put our coffee in, and I thought that ended up looking cute. So moving into the dining room, keeping this pretty minimal. Again, I'm just taking the plants off. You can kind of see those in the background because they were sitting there while I was decorating. But I ended up putting this pumpkin candle in here as well as the plant that I didn't end up using on the island. I feel like it kind of has like a little bit of a fall vibe to it in that mustard yellow pot. And then I ended up adding this like whiskey decanter that we've had for several years. We don't drink this. It's literally just for looks. It's gross actually, but I thought it looked kind of festive there, so that's all I ended up doing for the dining room table. And then I just ended up putting a different candle there on the counter with a little Hello Autumn sign. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I know I didn't go crazy. I didn't have tons of decorations. I just wanted to add a little bit here and there to make it feel festive. So yeah, I know I didn't go as all out as a lot of people do, but I really hope that you enjoyed it anyways, and give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!